Blue Star High Secondary School video classes for 9th standard mathematics. Happy morning students. Today we are going to see 4.6 cyclic quadrilaterals. Example 4.10. If PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral in which angle PSR is equal to 70 degree and angle QPR is equal to 40 degree, then find angle PRQ. So this is the given figure. In this, angle P is given, that is QPR is given 40 degree, and similarly PSR is 70 degree. So solution, PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral is given. Also given that PSR is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, angle PSR plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree because of cyclic quadrilateral. Then PSR is 70 degree plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. Angle PQR is equal to 180 degree minus 70. So angle PQR is equal to 110 degree. Similarly, in another triangle PQR, we have angle PQR plus angle PRQ plus angle QPR is equal to 180 degree because sum of the angles in the triangle is equal to 180 degree. So 110 degree plus angle PRQ plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle PRQ is equal to 180 degree minus 150. So angle PRQ is equal to 30 degree. Next one is example 4.11. In the figure given, find the value of x degree and y degree. So this is the given figure. You have to find the value of x and y. By the exterior angle property of a cyclic quadrilateral, we get x degree is equal to we get y degree is equal to 100 degree and x degree plus 30 degree is equal to 60 degree. So we get x is equal to 30 degree. What is exterior angle property? Let us see now. Exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. An exterior angle of a quadrilateral is an angle in its exterior formed by one of its sides and the extension of an adjacent side. So exterior angle is nothing but the angle which make outside of the circle. The circle velila make பண்ற angle தான் exterior angle. So let the side AB be the cyclic quadrilateral. So இது வந்து cyclic quadrilateral AB ன்றது ஒரு side. It will be extended to E. அதே E ன்ற வரைக்கும் point வரைக்கும் extend பண்ணிக்கிறோம். Then angle ABC and angle CBE are linear pair. இப்போ நம்ம பார்த்தோம்னா ABC யும் CBE ரெண்டும் வந்து linear pair. So their sum is 180 degree. So இது ஃபுல்லானா straight angles 180 degree and the angle ABC and angle ADC are the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral and their sum is also 180 degree. So if angle B யும் angle D யும் வந்து opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, so it is 180 degree. So angle ABC plus angle CBE is equal to angle ABC plus angle ADC. Finally we get angle CBE is equal to angle ADC. So அப்போ angle B யும் angle D ரெண்டும் வந்து equal அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். So similarly it can be proved for the other angles. So இதே மாதிரி நம்ம மற்ற ஆங்கிள்க்கும் இதை extend பண்ணி நம்ம prove பண்ணலாம், இதையும் extend பண்ணி prove பண்ணலாம். So this is what called the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. Exercise 4.4 problem number 1. Find the value of x in the given figure. It belongs to page number 173. So நம்ம x ஓட value find பண்ணோம். இதுதான் வந்து given figure. So we can see it is a cyclic quadrilateral. In this angle D is given 120 degree. You have to find the angle of x degree. So first we are taking angle B choose பண்ணிக்கிறோம். So angle P is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree because sum of the opposite angles of a quadrilateral are supplementary. So already we seen the result. So அந்த ரெண்டு ஆங்கிளையும் நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணால் நம்மளுக்கு 180 டிகிரி வரணும். So that is what called sum of the opposite angles of a quadrilateral supplementary. So now from this we get angle B is equal to 60 degree. Then angle B is equal to 60 degree find பண்ணியாச்சு. Then angle C. இப்போ angle C பார்த்தோன்னா it is at 90 degree. இப்போ இது ஒரு triangle, இது 90 degree because angle in a semicircle. Therefore, angle BCA is equal to 90 degree angle in a semicircle. Therefore, now we just add this three angles. You have to get 180 degree. ஏன்னா இது ஒரு triangle. இப்போ எல்லா angles-ஐயும் add பண்ணா நம்மளுக்கு 180 degree வரணும். So அதை equate பண்ணா நம்மளுக்கு x ஓட value easy-ஆ கிடைச்சிடும். Therefore, angle BAC plus angle B plus angle BCA is equal to 180 degree. So x degree plus 60 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x degree is equal to 180 degree minus 60 plus 90 is 150. So therefore, we get x degree is equal to 30. Therefore, we find the value of x is 30 degree. Problem number 2. In the given figure, AC is the diameter of the circle with center O. So AC is the diameter with center O. If angle ADE is equal to 30 degree. So ADE is 30 degree and DAC is equal to 35 degree. DAC is 35 degree and CAB is equal to 40 degree. CAB is 40 degree. You have to find the angle of ACD. So first number ACD. இதோட angle நம்ம find பண்ணணும். Then second subdivision is you have to find the angle of ACB. So இந்த angle நம்ம find பண்ணணும் ACB. Second one, இது first find பண்ணணும், இது second find பண்ணணும். Then third one is you have to find the angle of DAE. So இந்த angle நம்ம find பண்ணணும். இது நம்மளோட third angle. So first, now we will see the first subdivision. We know angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. So ADC பார்த்தோம்னா 90 degree because angle in a semicircle. So semicircle means you know the meaning. இத பாதியா பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா you get the semicircle. So angle in the semicircle is 90 degree. Then next, if we see it is a triangle. ADC is a triangle. So sum of all the angles is 180 degree. So angle ADC plus angle ACD plus angle DAC is equal to 180 degree, which is nothing but angle D plus angle C plus angle A is equal to 180 degree because sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So in this we know the value of angle D is 90 degree plus angle ACD plus angle DAC is 35 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. So from this angle ACD is equal to 180 degree minus 90 plus 35 is 125 degree. Therefore, we find angle ACD is equal to 55 degree. So, இப்போ angle ACD ஓட value find பண்ணியாச்சு, which is nothing but 55 degree. So, next one is second subdivision. You have to find angle ACB. Next one is second subdivision. In second subdivision, we see ABC is 90 degree because angles in the semicircle. இப்போ கீழ இருக்க இந்த part பார்க்கிறோம். So, angle in a semicircle, that is angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. So, இப்போ இது 90 degree, இது 40 degree. So, இது மூணுத்தையும் add பண்ணா நம்மளுக்கு 180 degree வரணும். அதுதான் triangle மூணு angles add பண்ணா நம்மளுக்கு 180 degree வரணும். So, same concept. Angle ACB plus angle CBA plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degree since sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So now we know the value of ACB. Sorry, we doesn't know the value of ACB. So ACB plus CBA is 90 degree plus BAC is also 40 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. So angle ACB is equal to 180 degree minus 90 plus 40 is 130 degree. Therefore angle ACB is equal to 50 degree. So now we find the second angle ACB is equal to 50 degree. So this is 50 degree. Then you have to find the third subdivision, that is DAE. Next one is third subdivision. In the cyclic quadrilateral, ACDE. So ACD and E. In a cyclic quadrilateral ACDE, AED is equal to 180 degree minus 55 degree, which is equal to 125 degree. Then in triangle AED, so in the triangle AED, so in the triangle choose பண்ணிருக்கோம் AED. So in this angle DAE plus angle AED plus angle EDA is equal to 180 degree. Because we know the reason, sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So DAE plus 125 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle DAE is equal to 180 degree minus 125 plus 30 is 155 degree. Therefore angle DAE is equal to 25 degree. So that's all. Now we find the angles of the third angle is angle A is 25 degree. Problem number 3. Find all the angles of the given cyclic quadrilateral ABCD in the figure. The problem belongs to page number 173. So this is the given cyclic quadrilateral. Solution: in a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. So B plus D is 180 degree because sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. So here angle B is 6x minus 4 and angle D is 7x plus 2, which is implies 6x minus 4 degree plus 7x plus 2 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now add 6x plus 7x is 13x minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. So 13x is equal to 180 degree plus 2, because here you have minus, so which is taken to your right hand side, it will become plus. So 13x is equal to 182 degree, x is equal to 182 degree by 13. The value of x is nothing but 14 degree. Now substitute the value of x in the respective angle B and D. You get the value of angle B and angle D. So we know angle B is equal to 6x minus 4 degree. Now only we find x is 14. So 6 into 14 minus 4 degree, which is equal to 6 into 14 is 84 minus 4. So the angle B is equal to 80 degree. Then angle D is equal to 7x plus 2 degree, which is equal to 7 into 14 plus 2 degree, which is equal to 7 into 14 is 98 plus 2. Therefore, angle D is equal to 100 degree. So, if you add angle B plus angle D, you get 180 degree. So, similarly, by using the same concept, adding angle A plus angle C, you get 180 degree. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree because sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. So, angle A is 2y plus 4 degree plus angle C is 4y minus 4 degree. 4y minus 4 degree is equal to 180 degree. So, 2y plus 4y is 6y, which is equal to 180 because plus 4 minus 4 gets cancelled. So, y is equal to 180 by 6. The value of y is equal to 30 degree. So, similarly, substitute the value of y in angle A. So, angle A is equal to 2y plus 4 degree, which is equal to 2 into 30 plus 4, which is equal to 3 2s are 60. So, 60 plus 4, angle A is equal to 64. Similarly, angle C is equal to 4y minus 4 degree, which is equal to 4 into 30 minus 4, which is equal to 120 degree minus 4 degree. Therefore, angle C is equal to 116 degree. Therefore, we find angle A is 64 degree, angle B is 80 degree, angle C is 116 degree and angle D is equal to 100 degree. Problem number 4. In the given figure, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral where diagonals intersect at P such that angle DBC is equal to 40 degree and angle BAC is equal to 60 degree. Find angle CAD and angle BCD. So, the problem belongs to page number 173. So, this is the given cyclic quadrilateral. So, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral where angle A is 60 degree and angle B, that is half of the angle, is 40 degree. So, first subdivision, angle CAD. Here we can see angle CAD is equal to angle DBC is equal to 40 degree because angles at the circumference to the same segment. Angle A, that is CAD, this angle, and angle DBC, this angle. These two angles are angles at the circumference to the same segment. So, both the angles are 40 degree. Similarly, angle BAC is equal to angle BAC is equal to angle BDC. That also 60 degree because angles at the circumference to the same segment. Then angle BCD plus angle BDC plus angle CBD is equal to 180 degree because sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So, from this we can write BCD plus 60 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. So, angle BCD is equal to 180 degree minus 60 plus 40 is 100. So, the angle BCD is 80 degree.